Welcome to the Safari, come explore and play. Meet the wild animals along the way. Listen to their sounds, both loud and sweet. Clap your hands and tap your feet. The lion on safari says roar, roar, roar. The elephant on safari says trumpet, trumpet, trumpet. The zebra on safari says neigh, neigh, neigh. The giraffe on safari says munch, munch, munch. The hippo on safari says snort, snort, snort. The rhino on safari says rut, rut, rut. The cheetah on safari says hiss, hiss, hiss. The hyena on safari says laugh, laugh, laugh. The crocodile on safari says snap, snap, snap. The monkey on safari says ooh, ooh, ah, ah. The flamingo on safari says hop, hop, hop. The ostrich on safari says boom, boom, boom. The baboon on safari says whoop, whoop, whoop. The antelope on safari says bleep, bleep, bleep. The warthog on safari says oink, oink, oink. The meerkat on safari says chirp, chirp, chirp. The buffalo on safari says moo, moo, moo. The leopard on safari says growl, growl, growl. The vulture on safari says caw, caw, caw. The jackal on safari says yip, yip, yip. The camel on safari says grunt, grunt, grunt. The owl on safari says hoot, hoot, hoot. The porcupine on safari says click, click, click. The snake on safari says hiss, hiss, hiss. The eagle on safari says screech, screech, screech. The frog on safari says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. The tortoise on safari says slow, slow, slow. The impala on safari says skip, skip, skip. The gorilla on safari says beat, beat, beat. The wallaby on safari says thump, thump, thump. Thanks for joining the safari.